In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the mouse cursor in Windows 11 24H2. Whether you want to adjust the size, change the color, or select an entirely new cursor style, this tutorial will guide you through each step in the simplest way possible, ensuring your computer feels just a bit more like home. First things first, we'll start by clicking on the Start button, located typically at the lower left corner of your screen. From the Start menu, select Settings. This will open up a new window, presenting a variety of options that help you tweak and adjust your Windows experience. Once you're inside the Settings window, navigate to Accessibility, or it might appear as Ease and Access, depending on your configuration. This section is dedicated to features that make your system easier to navigate and use, so it's the perfect place for our cursor customization journey. Next, within the accessibility settings, you'll want to select Mouse Pointer and Touch. This will open up a new set of options, giving you the freedom to adjust your mouse pointer to your liking. You'll soon notice a slider underneath the mouse pointer style section. This tool allows you to change the size of your pointer. Simply click and drag the slider until you reach a size that feels comfortable and visible to you. But we're not done yet. You have the option to change the color of your mouse pointer. This can be achieved by clicking the color options. A collection of colors will appear, offering you some preset choices. However, if you want something a bit more personalized, you can click on the custom box to explore different recommended colors. For those who love a truly unique touch, there's also the ability to select a custom color. Simply click on the plus icon to open the color picker, where you can create and choose your bespoke shade. Now, there's more to explore, especially for those seasoned Windows users who like to delve into the deeper functionalities. Back in the mouse pointer and touch settings, click on Additional Mouse Settings. This will lead you to the Mouse Properties window. Here, you'll want to click the Pointers tab. In this section, you'll find the Customize area, where you can browse through the selection of pointers you can change. Have you ever wanted a more animated or differently styled pointer? This is your chance. Click the Browse Menu button to find and select any custom Cure or Ani cursor file from your computer. Remember, this is your canvas. Feel free to get creative with it. Finally, after you've made all your selections and adjustments, click the Apply button to save your changes. And there you have it, a fully customized mouse cursor that's uniquely yours. Enjoy your newly personalized Windows 11.